Make your own yogurt na may pistachio sauce o kaya pwede ring assorted fresh fruits. Your imagination is the limit because they have almost 30 different toppings that you can choose from at may iba't iba ring syrup. Pero ang kakaiba dito bukod sa yogurt, meron din silang snacks. Kaya naman kahit nakakabukas lang ng branch na to, patok na patok agad sa customers. Mapabata o matanda, sino ba namang hindi mag-e-enjoy? So tara, samahan niyo ko ulit tumambay today. This place is called Yogurt Frost Cafe, located sa may Lacandula along MacArthur Highway. They are open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. at meron silang parking space. Yogurt Frost Cafe. By the way, this brand originated in Pampanga. Meron silang branch sa San Fernando at sa Nepo Center. Meron silang 3 sizes ng cup at yung kinuha ko lang ay itong pinakamaliit. Tapos, alam mo na yan, ikaw yung bahalang maglagay ng mga toppings na gusto mong ilagay and then titimbangin para malaman kung magkano. Ikaw ba, ano yung mga usual na gusto mong toppings ng yogurt? For today, I was in the mood for some fresh fruits so naglagay ako ng mangoes, kiwis, and grape. Pero hindi lang yun ang choices ha. I think merong 6 na iba't ibang fresh fruits yung nasa setup nila kanina. And like I said earlier, medyo kakaibang ang frozen yogurt shop to kasi meron din silang savory snacks. First up, we're having their crispy spud bites na may kasamang dip, and then meron din sila nitong chicken nuggets with fries. And in fairness, very affordable para daw abot kaya ng mga students. At eto ha, may dinidevelop din daw silang rice meals na magiging available na soon. Meron din silang pasta, we're having their creamy carbonara, and meron din daw silang cheesy spaghetti. Meron na rin yung kasamang toasted garlic bread on the side. Up next, we're having some nachos. Ang galing nito kasi naka-separate yung dip niya so hindi magsasagi yung chips. And then yung dip niya naman is a mix of cheese, salsa, and ground meat. My favorite out of all of their savory snacks has got to be the quesadilla. This is available in either chicken or beef. Tapos eto, nakita ko na meron sila nung usong-uso ngayon na pistachio sauce. So I had that with some dark chocolate chips, sliced almonds, and a lotus cookie. Super bagay ng combo na to guys, and I think pwede pa tong lagyan ng granola. I-try nyo yan pag nag-visit kayo sa kanila. At eto, wala na kinalaman sa food ha, pero what I love about them is that they also support working students. So it's not just a business but also their way of giving back to the community. Eto yung mga masarap suportahan.